The hamburger, one of the greatest inventions known to mankind. This quintessential American dish has been in the US for about 100 years, but its true origins aren't really American. To find its true origin, we'll have to go back a couple of centuries to ancient Rome. Now imagine you're hungrily walking the busy streets. Then you smell something amazing. What is it? This is the first concept of the meat patty called Escherichia aumentata. As centuries passed, the meat patty evolved in many different ways. Then, in the 1850s, a surge of German immigrants come to the US, and with them came the Hamburg steak. German restaurants began serving the steak, then many American restaurants added a Hamburg-style steak to their menu. In the 19th century, ground beef became extremely popular. People started cooking up all kinds of recipes like Salisbury steak and meatball sandwiches. Then one day, I need to make this easy to eat on the go. What if I take this bread and put it here? And thus, the hamburger was made. Allegedly. Many people claim that they made the hamburger, but there's not enough proof to say who exactly did it. That's their beef though. I'm David, and this is your K12 Teaching Moment. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the little notification bell to see our content as soon as it drops. If you have an idea of what you want us to cover next, or just have something funny to say, put it down in the comments. We'd love to see it.